How to find someone on Instagram without knowing their name. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will see how we can find someone on Instagram without knowing their name. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, open up your Instagram application and make sure that you're logged into your account. And here, in case if you don't know someone's name but you want to find them on Instagram, there are several ways that you can try. First of all, you can use your phone contacts scene. If the person is saved in your phone contacts, when you're on your home page in your Instagram account, you have to go to your profile. For that, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. So once you land on your profile page, just below your profile name, there you can see several buttons such as edit profile, share profile. Next to that, there is plus icon. Tap on it. And under discover people, you'll find people based on your contacts. Instagram will suggest account based on your contact, so you can search through here and see if you can find that account right here if you can't remember their name. The second option is to search by phone number. Here towards the search bar, and here you can enter their phone number. If their number is linked to their account and set to public, it may appear in the search results. If not, you can check your friends following and followers list if you can see the people that you are looking for in their followers list or following list. So you can head over to one of the contact or the mutual contact that you know, and you can search for their following and followers list in order to see if the people that you're looking for appears there. The other option is to check for their social media links. If they have accounts on Facebook, Twitter or LinkedIn, you can check if they have linked their Instagram account there as well. And these are some of the ways that will help you find someone if you don't remember their name on Instagram. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.